Hi guys! In this video, we're going to practice using tools to adjust connectors. With one click, we can move or remove connectors. Besides, we can also reverse side of the connectors. First, to move a connector, select the tool, Move. To move the connector to the right, click on the right of the connector and type in the distance on the keyboard. For example, 50 millimeters. Then hit Enter key and click on the left of the connector so that it moves to the left. Next, to remove a connector, select the tool, Remove tool. First click near the connector, then some yellow dots show up. Second click, it will be removed. Again, first click and then second click. Next, to reverse a connector to the other side, select the tool, Reverse side. Click near the connector and then click again. It will be reversed. Moreover, we can also reverse side of all the connectors on one side to another. Select the tool, Reverse side all. Then click on the face with the connectors. With just one click, all the connectors will be reversed to the other side. So this is how we use one-click tools to adjust connectors. For other tool instructions, see you in the next videos. The information for purchasing products, upgrading software packages, community support links for users, and consultation are provided below the description.